All right, one last video for 8.11 in pages 312 and 313. I'm going to do a walkthrough of your job in each section of these two math journal pages today because it's something brand new. So it's something you might not feel totally comfortable with doing yet. So if you want to walk it through with me, go for it. If you think you can read the directions and get started yourself, you are welcome to do that too, okay? Let's get started on the step up. So number 1, write the matching time on the digital clock. So we have to look at what time the analog clock says and write it in digital clock form. Okay, that's the same exact thing we just did with the step in. So I'm not going to do that one with you. I think you can do that one all by yourself. Okay? Okay. Remember, I will give you one hint though. This is where the hour goes. So what goes over here? The minutes. Okay, I will give you that hint. Hour, minutes. Let's look up here. Yellow clocks, number 2. Draw hands on the analog clock to show the matching time. Okay, we're doing the exact opposite of what we're doing for the green section. On the yellow clocks, they gave us the digital time, and it's our job to write the hands. We haven't really done that yet, so I'll do this first one with you. So, what is the time? 2:15. So the important thing to remember here is you need to make the hands easy for me to see which one is the minute and which one is the hour. So let's make our hour hand first. The hour hand is going to be a little past the 2, right? It's going to be a little bit pointing past the 2. Oops. Okay. It's hard for me because my little marker's big. I bet you're going to be able to make it better than mine. But so it's pointing a little bit past the 2. The most important thing here, though, is our minute hand. Where's our minute hand pointing? Let's see. 5, 10, 15. Our minute hand is on the 3, right? Oh my goodness, look at that. Made it pretty simple for you guys, right? So if the minute is the same in all 3 of these clocks, should your minute hand on the analog clocks be pointing to the same number in each of these clocks? Yeah, absolutely. Okay, number 3. Write each time 2 different ways. Let's try A together. So this clock says 11:15. That's what it would say on a digital clock. But let's fill in for the blanks. Quarter past. What is it quarter past? What hour did it pass last? It passed 11 last, right? Okay. Now let's look over here. Blank minutes past blank. How many minutes has it gone past? So first of all, let's already fill in our hour. We know that it's something minutes past 11 because we did that up here. Quarter, what does quarter mean? Without even looking at the clock. We could fill this in without even looking at the clock. Quarter past 11. What does that mean? What's that another name for? 15 minutes past 11, right? And we can check by counting the clock. 5, 10, 15. Okay? So half past an hour will always go in this block. Blank minutes. So that means minutes always go here. Past and past the hour will always go here. So if you want to fill that in on your math journal just to keep yourself organized, you can do that. But I bet you won't even have to. You can just read before and after what the blank spot says to figure it out. All right, and for the blue section, complete the clocks to keep each pattern going. Okay, so we're going to have to read the clock times and try and figure out the pattern. I know we are all so good at figuring out patterns, so help me. This clock says 9:15. Okay, and also it's A and B. These don't go together. Okay, you're doing A first and then B. So 9:15, what's this time say? 10:15, what's this time say? 11:15, 9:15, 10:15, 11:15. What are the other two? Let's look down here. 10:30, 11:30, 12:30. Ooh. What would come after 12:30? 13:30? No. What time would come after 12:30? Let's look at one of our clocks. Let's look at this clock up here to help us. Okay? So if it were 12:30, our minute hand would be pointing on the 12, and then our hour hand would be pointing down here. What is the next? Oh, I'm sorry. No. Our minute hand would be pointing down here, and our hour hand would be pointing at the 12. Okay? What is the next hour it could go to? Wouldn't be 13. What is that number? It's a 1. And then this pattern is showing us that the minute hand is staying the same. And now can we tell what the next number is really quickly in a snap? Yes. 10:30, 11:30, 12:30. Now it's 1:30. All right, good luck.